Hello students, today we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter electricity. So let's see our first question. Deepak studied in class today that an electric current is rate of flow of electric charge. What is the SI unit of electric current? Option A volt, option B ampere, option C joule, or option D none of the above. So students, we know that the SI unit of electric current is ampere. So its correct option is option B, ampere. Next question. Prem thought, why are all the electrical wires always made up of copper? What is the reason behind it? Option A, copper has high resistivity. Option B, copper has low resistivity. Option C, there is no danger of getting shock from copper wire. Or option D, all of the above. So students, we know that all electric wires are always made up of copper because copper has low resistivity. So its correct option is option B. Next question. During an activity, Suman learned today about the filament of a bulb that it has a high resistivity and high melting point. What is the filament of bulb made up of? Option A copper, option B silver, option C tungsten, or option D iron. So students, we know that the filament of bulb is made up of tungsten. So its correct option is option C. Next question. While performing the activity for Ohm's law, teacher used the device shown below. Identify the device. Option A voltmeter, option B ammeter, option C resistance, or option D key switch. So students, what is this device? So this device is key or switch. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Next question. The teacher told the class today that heating effect of the electric current has many applications. Choose the application which works on heating effect of current from the options below. Option A electric press or iron. Option B electric toaster. Option C electric heater, or option D all of the above. So students, we know that all the above options are correct. That is, all the above options works on heating effect of current. So its correct option is option D, all of the above. Next question. Gurshan's father has bought an electric motor today. The box of the motor has 220 volt by 5 ampere written on it. Find out the power of the motor. Option A 1000 watt, option B 1100 watt, option C 1200 watt, or option D 1300 watt. So students, its correct option is option B 1100 watt. Next question. A wire of resistance R was cut into two equal pieces and joined in parallel to each other. What will be the total resistance? Option A R, option B 2R, option C R by 4, or option D R by 2. So students, its correct option is option C R by 4. Next question. If we have two same sized wires of nichrome and copper, which one will show higher resistance? Option A copper, option B nichrome, option C both has same resistance, or option D none of the above. So students, we know that nichrome will have higher resistance. So its correct option is option B nichrome. Yes, students. Now we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 13, magnetic effects of electric current. So let's see our first question. Today during the class, teacher told that there are many effects of electric current. Which of the following is one of effects of electric current? Option A heating effect, option B magnetic effect, option C chemical effect, or option D all of the above. So students, we know that all these effects are produced by electric current. So its correct option is option D. Next question. The direction of force acting upon a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is given by right hand thumb rule, option B Fleming's left hand rule, option C Fleming's right hand rule, or option D all of the above. So students, we know that the direction of force acting upon a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field is given by Fleming's left hand rule. So its correct option is option B. Next question. During power cut in the school, electricity is generated by a generator. Sunil think about the principle on which this generator works. Help Sunil by selecting the correct answer from the following. Option A electromagnetic induction, option B magnetic effect of current, option C heating effect of current, or option D all of the above. So students, the principle on which generator works is electromagnetic induction. So its correct option is option A. Next question. During the activity of electromagnetic induction, Sarita noticed her teacher using an instrument. Name the instrument shown in the diagram. So this is the instrument. So students, you see that there is G written in this instrument. So what is this instrument? Option A voltmeter, option B ammeter, option C galvanometer, or option D generator. So students, you see there is written G in this instrument. So this instrument is galvanometer. So its correct option is option C. Next question. An instrument is used for the safety of electric circuits from short circuit and overloading. Name that instrument. Option A generator, option B motor, option C fuse, or option D none of these. So students, we know that an instrument which is used for the safety of electric circuits from short circuit and overloading, that instrument is option C fuse. Next question. We get an AC electric power at our house at 220 watt. What is its frequency? Option A 30 Hz, option B 40 Hz, option C 50 Hz, or option D 60 Hz. So students, the frequency of electric power is option C 50 Hz. Next question. The quantity of electric current in electric circuit during short circuit, option A decreases, option B does not change, option C increases, or option D goes on changing frequently. So students, we know that the quantity of electric current in electric circuit during short circuit increases. So its correct option is C, increases. Next question. Electric motor works on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule, option B Fleming's right hand rule, option C right hand thumb rule, or option D left thumb rule. So we know that the electric motor works on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A. The magnetic lines go from north to south direction. Density of these lines show the magnetic field. Option C. Density of the magnetic lines is more at the poles. Option D. Magnetic lines intersect each other. So students, among all these options, option D, that is magnetic lines intersect each other, this option is not correct. So its correct option will be option D. What happens when electric current flows through a straight conductor? The conductor is melted. Option B, a magnetic field is generated around the conductor. Option C, a magnetic field is generated on one side of the conductor. Or option D, nothing happens. So students, we know that when an electric current flows through a straight conductor, then a magnetic field is generated around the conductor. So its correct option is option B. Next question. The quantity of the magnetic field produced in a coil depends upon the number of turns in the coil, quantity of electric current flowing through the coil, substances used for making the coil, or option D, all of these factors. So students, we know that the quantity of magnetic field produced in a coil depends upon the number of turns in the coil, quantity of electric current flowing through the coil, substances used for making the coil. So all these factors, that is the quantity of magnetic field produced in the coil, depends upon all the above factors. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Which of the following is not used for making the motor? Option B, option A, brush, option B, axle, option C, armature, or option D, rings. So which of the following is not used for making the motor? So its correct option is rings, option D. Next question. The function of fuse in the domestic circuit is option A, to complete the electric circuit, option B, to complete the electric current, option C, to prevent the flow of electricity by breaking the circuit on increasing the current in it, or option D, to increase the quantity of electric current. So students, we know that the function of fuse in the domestic circuit is to prevent the flow of electricity by breaking the circuit on increasing the current in it. So its correct option is option C. Next question. According to Fleming's left hand rule, thumb gives the information about magnetic field, option B electrical current induced in the conductor, option C electric field, or option D speed of the conductor. So its correct option is speed of the conductor. So students, today we have solved our two chapters, that is electricity and magnetic effects of electric current. So in our next video, we will solve our chapter number 14th, that is sources of energy. So students, Thanks for watching our video.